Okay, see, this is the dye solution. This is the dispersed red dye, and this is the carrier. Okay, this is a phenolic based carrier, and this is the acetic acid, and this is the dispersing agent. So already for 1% shade, all the chemicals and dyes are added along with water, and here also for 3% dye, everything has been already added and mixed. So pH is also checked. pH is fine, around 5.5 to 6.5 range it is there. So now I am going to introduce the fabric. Okay, this is the 100% polyester fabric. I am just putting it inside, and this one is for the 3% this thing. So now I am going to close the beaker. Okay, as I have told, the center portion of this thing should face in between the center. These two spots, this should face the center. So now I am tightening this. So this is ready, this pot is ready, and for 3%, you can see the 3% also same. It's already tight. So now it needs to be screwed up. Just a minute. So both the beakers are now ready. So this beaker is for just a balance. So now we will go and insert this beaker. कर दीजिए. See, here there should be a balance, as I have told you, in all the sides. The weight sharing should be equal. Okay. Okay, everything has been properly fit. So okay. So now I am going to start the program. Okay, always we should press RST and del so that it comes back. For this program, dyeing cycle, I have already made the program. So I am directly going to program. It is program number 11. Okay, it's ready now. So if I just see I'm sorry. Already the program is made. See, program 11 it is. Okay, I'm just going inside. It's ready now. Okay, so the already set. So what I will do is I will now just run the program. Okay, so I am just clicking the it's ready now. So I am now started the program. See, you can see the beakers started to rotate. Okay, now the temperature in the panel board, it is showing 28 degree. It will slowly rise to 100 degrees centigrade. In 100 degrees centigrade, it will be there for 45 minutes. Okay. So I am just closing the door. Okay. So we will, after 1 hour, if the dyeing cycle will complete, so we have to do the after treatments. We will have a short discussion about after treatments after this dyeing cycle is over, and then we will do the after treatments, and then we will dry the fabric so that the experiment will complete. Thank you.